Comparing bread makers, Hamilton Beach 29882 versus Zojirushi BB-PDC20. When exploring bread makers comparable to the Cuisinart CBK 102 pounds bread maker, two notable alternatives are the Hamilton Beach 29882 bread maker and the Zojirushi BB-PDC20 Home Bakery Supreme bread maker. Here's an overview of their advantages and disadvantages. Versatile baking options. Offers 12 pre-programmed settings, including options for gluten-free and whole-grain breads, catering to diverse dietary preferences. Customizable loaf. Sizes and crusts. Allows selection of 1.5 or 2-pound loaf sizes and light, medium, or dark crust settings, providing flexibility based on user preferences. Delay timer. Features a delay start timer of up to 13 hours, enabling users to schedule the baking process for fresh bread at desired times. User-friendly interface. Equipped with an intuitive control panel and a large digital display, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced bakers. Kneading paddle. Design ***. The kneading paddle may sometimes leave a hole in the bottom of the loaf, which could affect the bread's appearance. Noise levels. Some users report that the machine operates with noticeable noise during the kneading process, which might be disruptive in quiet environments. Dual kneading blades. Equipped with 2 kneading blades, ensuring thorough dough kneading for superior texture and consistency. Horizontal loaf. Shape produces traditional horizontal-shaped loaves, appealing to those who prefer conventional bread aesthetics. Customizable settings. Offers multiple pre-programmed courses and the ability to set custom baking cycles, accommodating a wide range of bread types and recipes. Durable construction. Known for its sturdy build quality, contributing to longevity and consistent performance over time. Premium price point, positioned at a higher price range, which may not be suitable for budget-conscious consumers. Larger footprint. Its substantial size may require more counter space, potentially posing a challenge in smaller kitchens. The Hamilton Beach 29882 bread maker serves as an affordable and versatile option, offering a range of settings suitable for everyday home baking, despite minor design considerations. In contrast, the Zojirushi BB-PDC20 Home Bakery Supreme bread maker stands out with its advanced features and durable construction, catering to those willing to invest in a high-quality appliance for diverse and frequent bread-making endeavors. Ultimately, the choice between these models should align with individual baking needs, budget constraints, and available kitchen space.